where we force challenges that transformed, where every lesson, whether in the classroom or beyond, shaped us into who we are today. And what makes Ramnee truly special are our enthusiastic and inspiring teachers. We are extremely blessed to have had the privilege of learning from you, dear teachers. We are equally grateful to the management, which has always been supportive and ensured that we had a nurturing environment to grow in. This year has also been remarkable because of the contribution of the school captains. They have played their part with dedication and represented the values of the school with pride. It is especially significant as we honor the leadership of our school captains. Over the course of this year, they have not just been the figureheads of the school, but the very heartbeat of the student body. The mark they have left on the school will be remembered long after they have stepped down. Today, we not only bid farewell to their posts, but also express our deepest gratitude for their service. Now we begin our assembly with a prayer dance, followed by a petition.